Today we're back at the project lawn for episode 5, and today what we're going to do is we're going to look at the soil test results, and we're going to put down fertilizer, real fertilizer, not starter fert like we did at the beginning of this project lawn, but a real fertilizer application like a normal person would, store-bought, right off the shelf. It is from an ag store, but Scott's would be exactly the same thing. So let's go. So we're going to be putting down a 24-3-6 analysis for the fertilizer. He's definitely low on nitrogen, definitely low on potassium. Doing pretty good on phosphorus, but this is only 3% phosphorus, so we'll be okay with that. But we're going to put it down, and then we're going to apply some Humate, which is something that I absolutely love putting down all the time. It's kind of like a dried granular humic acid. Okay, so we're going to, we've gotten onto the app with the turf therapy app, and according to the bag analysis of 24-3-6, and it's wanting to put down 3/4 of a pound of nitrogen for this go. Usually I'd spoon feed it and do about 1/4 to 1/2 a pound, but we're going to do 3/4 of a pound of nitrogen. We're going to push a little bit of growth to help cover some of these bare areas that are starting to fill back in, but help push a little growth on that. But we've used that turf therapy app. We're going to weigh out. We've already poured the fertilizer into the bucket. And we're sitting at about 16 pounds 1 ounce. About 1/2 pound heavier, but that's like a little tiny handful, so there you go. Done. Okay, so what we're going to add next is something that I've kind of used, different forms of it, the entire time I've ever been doing lawns. So I started with an item called Huma Iron that I used to get at Home Depot, because remember, I started just like everybody else. I was a beginner, I was just learning. My brother said, hey, try some of this, and it worked great, and it is awesome stuff. This is my local ag store style of it. It's Humate. It's a lawn and garden soil conditioner, but it is fantastic. And you want to talk about a nice green when you apply this, and it will not burn. That's the thing that's awesome about it. It's organic. It will not burn your yard, no matter what temperature you put it in or how much you put on or don't.
Oh, it's black.
Oh yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
Are you gonna put it right there?
Yep, put it right in there.
So you don't have to saturate or anything?
Nope. We're actually putting down both bags today. So we're going to fill it until it's completely full. Well, I'll tell you what, your spreading skills on peat moss and seed is awesome. We're going to have to work on your spreader filling skills. Hey, thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell for notifications on any future videos being posted. Also, like, share with your friends, and comment down below. It really helps. And we'll see you in the next one.